Hello students of class 9. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is sequence and series. Sequence and series. It is chapter 6. Chapter 6. Now, first of all, I would like to explain some of the basics. That is, I am going to start arithmetic progression. I am going to start arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Let us take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. What do we find? We find that between two consecutive numbers, the difference is the same. Now again, let us take another example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Here again, 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 12 minus 10, 2. 14 minus 12, 2. What do we find again? We find that the difference between two consecutive terms is 2, that is, it is constant. Then we say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are in arithmetic progression. They are in arithmetic progression. In short, we can write as A dot B. Similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are in arithmetic progression. In short, we can write it as A dot P. This is, in short, we can write it. Now, I want to tell you, this is arithmetic progression. You find that between two consecutive terms, the difference is constant. In the first case, the difference is 1. And this is known as common difference. This is known as common difference. This is known as common difference. Here again, we see that the difference is 2, which is constant between two consecutive terms. So this is called as common difference. This is called as common difference. So the standard form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, comma. 1 minute, I can say here, comma, dot, dot, dot. Here also, comma, dot, dot, dot. 3 plus D, comma, A plus 4D, comma, dot, dot, dot. This is the standard form of an AP. And here the first term is A, and the common difference, is equal to D. So this is arithmetic progression. Now let us take the standard form of an arithmetic progression. The standard form of an arithmetic progression: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, dot, dot, dot. The first term, it is represented as A1, which is A. The second term, a2, that is a plus d. The third term, that is a plus 2d. The fourth term, that is a plus 3d. The fifth term, that is a plus 4d, and so on. Now, I am going to do some modifications. That is, instead of a plus 4d, I am going to write a plus 5 minus 1d. And instead of 3d, I am going to write as 4 minus 1d. Similarly, instead of 2d, I am going to write a plus 3 minus 1d. And instead of a plus d, I am going to write as 2 minus 1d. And this is a plus 1 minus 1d. From the above, from this we can conclude that an that is equal to a5, 5 minus 1, a4, 4 minus 1, a3, 3 minus 1, a2, 2 minus 1, a1, 1 minus 1. Therefore, an, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is called as the nth term. This is called as the nth term of an AP. This is called as the nth term. This is called the nth term. Nth term of an AP. This is called an nth term of an AP. That is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. This is also, it is said as general term. This nth term is also called as general term. This nth term is also called as general term. This is also called as general term of an AP, arithmetic progression. Now, sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression, which is represented as n, that is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus dot plus nth term a plus n minus 1d. So what is the sum of the n terms of an AP? Now I want to derive the formula for Sn. What I am going to do is, again I am writing this Sn, but in reverse order. In the reverse order, that means like this: a plus n minus 1d plus a plus n minus 2 bracket d, and plus last is a. Now if we sum up these two APs, that is Sn plus Sn, it comes to be 2Sn. See, the first term and the last term sum. Second term and the second last term. Second term and the second last term. Similarly, the last term and the first term. What do we get? We get 2a plus n minus 1d. Here also we will get 2a plus n minus 1d. Similarly, the last term will be 2a plus n minus 1d. So what do we find? We find that there are n terms like this, n terms. The sum of these n terms, it will be 2Sn, that is n bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, and Sn, that is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is the formula of sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now I am going to another topic, that is what is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean of these two terms a and b. The arithmetic mean of these two terms is, it is represented as an, that is equal to a plus b by 2. So now we can insert an arithmetic mean. We can insert an arithmetic mean between A and B. So we can write it like this: A comma A1, A2. This A1, A2, this represents the arithmetic mean. A3, and similarly dot dot AN, and then B. So here up to this there are n terms, and this two terms, when we add it, we get total number of terms is equal to n plus 2 terms. Now 2 terms. Now what is a n plus 2a term? That is equal to a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d. That means we have applied the formula a nth term, that is a plus n minus 1d. This is the nth term. Therefore, n plus 2 instead of n, here will be n plus 2. And this is a n plus 2th term, that is equal to a plus n plus 1 into d. And n plus 2th term is your b. This n plus 2th term is your b. So b is equal to a plus n plus 1 into d. Now b minus a is equal to n plus 1 into d. Therefore b minus a by n plus 1, that is equal to d. Now see one thing, that a1, this is arithmetic mean. This is the first term of the arithmetic mean. This is the first term of the arithmetic mean. But in this sequence, a1 is the second term of an arithmetic mean. It is the first term of an arithmetic mean, but in this sequence, it is the second term. So its formula becomes a second term. That is, I have already told you that is the second term. That is, second term is a plus d. Second term is a plus d. Second term is your a plus d. So this is equal to a plus d. That is equal to a plus b minus a by n plus 1. Similarly, a2, that is the second mean, that is the second term. In the mean, it is the second term. But in this sequence, in the arithmetic progression, this is the third term. So your third term formula is, this is equal to, this is a plus 2d, and so a plus 2 bracket b minus a by n plus 1. Similarly, a3, it will be equal to a plus 3d, that is equal to a plus 3 bracket b minus a by n plus 1. And like that, this nth term, this will be a plus nd, that is equal to a plus n b minus a by n plus 1. These are the formulas, that is the nth term, sum of the n terms, then again arithmetic mean, and we can insert an arithmetic mean and formula for each arithmetic mean, a1, a2, like that an is given to you. This formula will be required to solve the problems. So I am going to now to exercise 6.2. This is 6.2 exercise. I am going to 6.2. Now 6.2, I am going to start from question number 2. I am going to start from question number 2. That is, find the terms mentioned in the bracket of the following sequence. Find the terms mentioned in the brackets of the following sequence. Now you see here what exercise 6.2. Now here you now student of class 9, say I am going to start exercise 6.2, question number 2. Question number 2a. The sequence, it is given to you 9, 7, 5, 3, comma dot 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 15th term. Now here it is mentioned we have to find the 15th term. Now we are going to take the help of the formula of nth term. Formula of nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am going to take the help of this nth term. So here n, it is the 15th, a 15. Your a is 9, this is 9 plus 15 minus 1, and your common difference is 7 minus 9. Common difference is 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9, it comes to be minus 2. So it is minus 2. So this is equal to 9 plus 14 into minus 2. So this is 9 plus bracket minus 28. So 9 minus 28, and 9 minus 28, 18. From 18 when we subtract 9, it comes to be 9 and 1 minus 19. The answer is minus 19. Now you will see the answer which is given in your book. The answer comes out to be, you see, is minus 19. Minus 19. So the answer is minus 19. Now again, I am going to do this question number B. This is the sequence is 2a minus b, 3a, 4a plus b, and we have to find the 28th term. We have to find the 28th term. We have to find the 28th term. So here again, your a, the first term is 2a minus b, and your common difference d is the second minus first, that is 3a minus bracket 2a minus b, which comes out to be 3a minus 2b plus b, and this is equal to a plus b. So your common difference is a plus b. I have to find the a28th term. A20, that is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 into d. The first term is, this is 2a minus b plus 19. Your d is a plus b. So 2a minus b is equal to 2a minus b plus 2a minus b plus 19a plus 19b, which comes to be 19 plus 2, that is equal to 21a, and this is plus 18b. This is your answer. So your answer, see, here you see, this is 21a minus 18b. So now again I am going to all these questions. One I am doing for you, the fraction, which is I am doing for you. This is fraction. 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 10 by 5, and dot 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 to 11th term. 11th term. Here your a is 1 by 5. Your d common difference is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5, which comes out to be 3 by 5. Now a 11 term, that is a plus 11 minus 1 into d, that is 1 by 5 plus 10d, that is 1 by 5 plus 10 into 3 by 5. So that is 1 by 5 plus 30 by 5, which comes out to be 31 by 5. This is your answer. And your back answer is 31.5. 31 by 5. 31 by 5, this is your back answer. Now, E, x minus 2, 4x, then again 7x plus 2, that is to nth term, and your a is x minus 2. Now d is 4x minus x minus 2, which comes to be 4x minus x plus 2. This is equal to 3x plus 2. Now d is 3x plus 2. Your nth term, a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Your a is x minus 2 plus n minus 1, and d is your 3x plus 2. You can keep this answer in this way, or you can modify it. Let me see the answer. You can modify it if you want. Now, sorry, the answer is not given in your book. The answer is not given. The question number E answer is not given in your book. But you can keep it like this, or if you want, you can modify it. X minus 2 plus n. This is 3x plus 2. This is x. This is x. 3x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2, which is x minus 2 plus n, 3x plus 2 minus 3x minus 2. So this comes out to be minus 2x minus 4 plus n, this is n, 3x plus 2. You can keep the answer in this way also. Now I am going to question number, the rest of the question D and F. You can do it yourself. It is you can do it yourself. Now I am going to question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is given that a few pairs of numbers are given below. Find the arithmetic mean as mentioned in the bracket with the pairs. The first one I am doing it for you first. That is 8 and minus 7. 4 arithmetic means. 4 arithmetic means. That means you have to insert 4 arithmetic means between 8 and minus 7. Your A is 8 and your B is equal to minus 7. Now I am going to apply the formula, that is which I have already told you. I am going to apply the formula which I have already told. Now your A1, this is A1 that is equal to A plus D, that is equal to A plus B minus A by n plus 1. Your A is 8 plus minus 7 minus 8 by, your n is 4. Since you have to insert 4 arithmetic means, 4 plus 1, that is equal to 8 plus, this is minus 15 by 5. So this is 8 plus, this is minus 3. So 8 minus 3, which comes out to be 5. Now again A2, we have to find 4 arithmetic means since there are 4. So A2, that is equal to A plus 2D. Here this is the formula, it is already given to you. That is equal to A plus 2 bracket B minus A by n plus 1. And your A is 8. Your A is 8. This is A, 8. And plus 2. B minus A. B is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 8 by 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 8 plus 2. This comes out to be minus 15 by 5. And that is equal to 8 plus 2 into minus 3. That is equal to 8 minus 6. And this is equal to 2. Now A3. I am going to find A3. A3 that is equal to A plus 3D, and this is equal to A plus 3 bracket B minus A by n plus 1. So your 8 is, you already know that your A is 8. Yes, this is it. A is 8 and B is minus 7. So 8 plus 3 bracket minus 7 minus 8 by 4 plus 1, this is equal to 8 plus 3 minus 15 by 5, that is equal to 8 plus 3 into minus 3, that is equal to 8 minus 9, that's equal to minus 1. And your last, that is A4, that is A plus 4D, again A plus 4 into B minus A by n plus 1, and this is equal to 8 plus 4 minus 7 minus 8 by your 4 plus 1. This is equal to 8 plus 4 minus 15 by 5. That is equal to 8 plus 4 into minus 3. That is equal to 8 plus minus 12. That is equal to 8 minus 12. This is equal to minus 4. So this your answers are 5, 2, and minus 1 and minus 4. So let me 5, 2, 5, 2, minus 1 and minus 4. So 5, 2, minus 1 and minus 4. Now, similarly, you can do all these sums. These are all these sums. These are the same procedure and using the same formula. Here n will be 2, here n will be 7, here n will be 5, here n will be 3, here n will be 5, here n will be 9. In this is your A and this is your B. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your A, this is your B. This is your A, this is your whole, this is B. This is your A, this is B, this is A, this is B. You can solve in this pattern as I have shown you. Now I am going to move to question number 4. I am going to move to question number 4. Question number 4. Here see, if m plus 2, 4m minus 6 and 3m minus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then find the value of m. Now this, see, it is m plus 2, 4m minus 6 and 3m minus 2 are three consecutive terms. They are three consecutive terms. There are three consecutive terms of an AP. You have to determine the value of m. So this is the, according to your this arithmetic progression, the difference between the consecutive terms, must be same. So 4m minus 6 minus m plus 2, this must be equal to 3m minus 2 minus 4m minus 6. That is, second minus first is equal to third minus second. Second minus first is equal to third minus second. Now when I am going to solve it, 3m minus 6 minus m minus 2, this is equal to 3m minus 2 minus 4m plus 6, and this is will be, you are going to get 3m minus 8, this is equal to minus m and plus 4. Now I am bringing the m on one side and the constant on the other side. So 3m plus m is equal to 8 plus 4. This is equal to 4m is equal to 12, and therefore m is equal to 12 by 4. Therefore m is equal to 3. This is your answer. Now let me check the answer. 4, question number 4, this is 3. Here you see this is 3.